Hey guys, I decided to do a video. I'm going to keep this private for about a week or two until after Valentine's Day. This is pretty much a gift. Well, a friend's having me make it for her husband. Um, so I don't want to spoil the surprise on the long shot that he does look at my channel. So, long story short, this is a Super Nintendo controller. A bootleg, as you can see by this. Well, a friend had a broken controller, so I got that from him, which was this. And long story short, one of my friends wanted me to make a belt buckle Super Nintendo controller, and I was like, I can do that. So I was looking for the parts. I got the Super Nintendo controller from one friend, and then Hot Topic had 75% off of everything. So I got a couple belt buckles. Now, you may be wondering, what the hell is this? I can't just do anything normal. At my work, we have balloons that record your own sound, which, there we go, recordable. It was $10, and it will do this. Fortunately, that's only how long it will go. It only does 10 seconds. And then for record, I put drilled one hole right here, where you'll put a screwdriver or something, and then you can record through the microphone up here. And you can see it's a little gapped. I'm only able to put 2 screws in it, but it holds way well enough. And it actually works nicely. I only finished this maybe an hour ago. I was just letting the epoxy dry. I just wanted to upload this, show it off, and at the same time, this will be my second entry for the L1 Games video contest, if it's uploaded in time. If not, no big deal. I just want to put this second entry just in case my first video wasn't good enough or didn't qualify. I just to kind of run down what I did, was the board I get is about, actually I can use this crappy one over here. This is what they kind of come in. So when you shake it, yeah, it does that. So my whole process was, okay, if you press one of the buttons, which is what I did, it will play. And actually, I'll take this apart quickly because it's only 2 screws. This is how I unscrew things. Alright, let me unscrew it. Hopefully it unscrews. And it's not unscrewing. That is never a good sign. There we go. Oh, I see. Well, what's left is half of the bootleg controller, the speaker right here, the record button right about here. So basically the D-pad is just glued in place. I can't do anything. But all the other buttons still, well, work. But I glue that in, and that one of these boards is under that whole circuit board. You can see it right there. And I glue that in place. I basically soldered the one of the wires to what the ground would be on the controller, and the other one to the button. So just by pressing it, it will work, and I swear it works. I'm probably going to kill the battery before I ever get to give this. But, yeah, that was pretty much the project. This is the inside of the controller on the back part. I thought that was just something really cool to share with you guys. So, hopefully this counts for an L1 Games contest entry. and hopefully everyone likes this. And in the future, if you guys really like it, I can sell them by request or make them by request. Just, send me a message if you're interested. I can do NES controllers as well. But I refuse to destroy a working controller. The only controllers I will take are broken controllers or knockoffs, or the new controllers as they call them, just new. And this was both a knockoff and it was broken. So, hope you guys enjoy my little belt buckle Super Nintendo controller. Talk to you guys later. Thank you.